Hi guys, my name is Zenobia and welcome to my channel. So, got another unboxing today. This is my second ever Boxy charm. But first we're going to go over the products I got last month and to give the final decision of whether that month's box was worth the $21 for me. Yes, monetary value, it's worth the money, but if it's not worth it to you to get the subscription, then it's not worth it to get it, you know? So, first thing I'll talk about is the blush brush because I don't have it. I actually had decided to give it to my sister-in-law for a Christmas gift, and it ended up being perfect because she was in need of a blush brush, and so I gave it to her, and I am hoping she's enjoying that because she was needing it and was searching for one when she was here, and I was crossing my fingers she didn't find one because I knew it was under the tree for her. But then I am wearing the three of the products that I got in the Boxy charm. The Tarte Lash Mascara, or the Tarteist Mascara, I did not, I'm not wearing. I'm trying to resist using it because I'm trying to use up some other mascaras right now that I've already opened, but I already know that I do love that mascara, and so that on its own made it worth the box for me because it's the retail value of the mascara, so it was great for that. And then the lip gloss, Pretty Vulgar. I've never tried anything by Pretty Vulgar, so I was excited to have this new brand. This was in the color My Lips Are Sealed. It's the lip color I'm wearing today, and I do love it. I think it'll be really fun for summer. The color stays really well, I feel, and it's not real sticky as a lip gloss. I'm not usually a lip gloss person, but I do enjoy this one. I don't feel like it's too pow in your face with the metallic, but just a nice little rose gold kind of shimmer, so I am enjoying this. And then the bronzer, haven't been one to bronze, and this bronzer I found really difficult to use at first because of the way it's set up. I wish there was like some separators here, or maybe they had like all of the color here in one area and the highlighter in one area and then the bronzer in one area instead of splitting it up like they did. But I did find using a smaller tapered brush like this is a Luxie Beauty highlighting brush, I'm able to get into the bronzer and use it, and then get in, and then I actually use a larger crease brush for the highlighter. And this, I'm sorry if you hear some banging, my 3-year-old's right outside the door, but this lighter pinky color, or it's, I don't really know how to describe it. It's a good blush though. I like it for a blush, and I think it's a nice, like, more natural looking blush. So I really am enjoying that. I'm wearing the bronzer and the highlighter today, and then for the blush I put on the blush in here.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, baby. You can sit right there and watch. Sit right there and watch. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, now he's gone. Sorry guys, the Real Her blush package. Now I hate when I see white packaging for makeup because I know I'm gonna get it so filthy. I can't wear white clothing. I just avoid white because I can't keep it clean. I've got a 3-year-old, and makeup especially, it gets everywhere, and so this guy is pretty messy already. I've not used like blushes before, and I haven't been a fan of baked products in the past because I don't like how sheer they are, I guess. There's just not a lot of pigment, and I like something that's really pigmented. But I find that helps with this blush because it's not like overwhelming. This actually, the Unstoppable color, actually is like a nice rosy brown color, kind of like what's in the Bronze Essentials. And this Fearless color is what I'm wearing on my cheeks today. I do like it because I have a little bit more control, and I found that using an angled brush like this one, I can get the best color payoff the most quickly with it. So I have enjoyed using this thus far. However, I am going to be putting it aside because I'm trying to pan some blushes this year, and maybe coming back to these this summer when I wear a little bit lighter makeup because I'm outside a lot more. Okay, so all in all, I think that the Boxy Charm box for last month was definitely worth $21. I'm so excited about that first month's box, especially because it was for the first month for me. I am excited that I will be able to use all of the products aside from the blush brush, which I passed on, but my sister-in-law is going to get some good use out of it, and I saved her a few dollars getting her a nice blush brush there. So I have that as usable, so able to get use out of all of the products, which is not been the case in the past with subscription boxes for me. So here is January's box. I got it in. I know there's been spoilers everywhere, but I've tried to avoid them as much as possible. So I know a little bit about what I'm getting in here, but not everything. So we've got the little card. It's got the information about the products, and this is the, oh, that's nice. They gave you an ingredient list for the Dr. Brandt product. So we have Dr. Brandt Luminizer and Primer, and I will try this out. I'm not usually used to using, I have stopped using face primers rather, because my vitamin C serum I was using in the morning, it leaves my face kind of tacky, and I like it. It just works as a primer for me. However, I just recently realized that it has 20% vitamin C, which is a little bit too high to be wearing it during the day, so I moved to using it during the night. So I'm back to using primers, so this will be nice to use. And since my skin is drier right now for the winter, a luminizing primer. I've not ever tried out a luminizing primer before, so that'll be interesting to try out. And let's see, the card says it retails for $38. Next, I pulled out the Girlactic Matte Lip Paint. I know they had different colors, so let me see if I can get mine open so we can check out the color. You can kind of see through the box, but I want to swatch it for you. It's the color Demure. I believe that's what the color is right there on the barcode. I don't see anything written anywhere else, so let's see. Oh yes, the color is Demure. So it looks like it's a nice kind of rosy color. Oh wow, that's a lot darker than it seems. So that is what it looks like swatched on the hand. I actually really like that color, that kind of like burnt orangey red color there. I think I'm going to enjoy that. So this retails for $23. So there's that one. And then next thing I have in here, the It Brow Power Pencil. This is the Universal Taupe one. Retails for $24. And I remember when these came out, and I was not a fan of them. I was working at Ulta at the time, so we will see. I'm also trying to pan some brow products, so I'll probably try it out to see, you know, whether I care for it. I can't get it out. And then put it aside until later unless I really love it. So it's got kind of an oval tip. Yeah, see, this is what I remember when I had them in the stores. They're like really scratchy, and you have to really, they're kind of hard and scratchy, but that does look like a good color for me. It's not as gray as I remember when they first came out. They must have changed the formula a little bit, because when it first came out, I remember it was kind of gray looking when I put it on my skin. So that will be a good color for me, and hopefully it won't feel quite as scratchy on the brows. Next we have Glam Metals eyeshadow palette by Crown, and I am so excited. I haven't tried Crown before, so I didn't get to try the blush brush because I gave it away, so this will be good to try, and I'm excited to have an eyeshadow palette. I get an eyeshadow palette. Very cool, or not really cool tone. It's got a nice range in here. It looks like there's just a matte black and the rest are shimmers. So, you know, I have plenty of matte black shadows. But let's see. I just want to swatch this one because matte blacks are, oh yeah, that one's pretty sheer. You can see there. So, be giving this a try, but I do like the kind of gray tone shimmers in there. And oh, it's got a little guitar shaped mirror. That's cute. This guy retails for $25. I'm not making oatmeal, baby. I'm making rice.
Oatmeal.
Okay, I'll make you oatmeal. Let me finish. I'm almost done, and I'll make you oatmeal. Okay.
Yes.
So the eyeshadow palette retails for $25. So a good value there. if we can get some good color payoff other than the black. And then lastly, we have the Pure Bronze and Brighten palette, and it looks like it's wrapped. Is it wrapped in plastic? Oh, there's just some tape over it. Hold on a second. There we go. This retails for $34. I do enjoy Pure Cosmetics products. I love Pure Cosmetics actually. So let's take a look at what this looks like. And just hold the card up for the mirror. So there is that. Some very shimmery finish. Actually, this one looks like, where did that Real Her one go? So this one, oh man, I messed it. This blush, these blushes look really similar. You see that? So that's and a very shimmery bronzer. I don't use shimmery bronzer. You know, I don't want to touch it. I don't want to touch it because this is something that I think I'm going to just pass on. It does not look like something I'm going to use. I don't need any more blushes. I definitely don't need any more highlighters, and I don't use shimmery bronzers. So I am not going to swatch that. I'm sorry guys. I'm going to go ahead and pass that on, and hopefully we can get some good use out of the rest of these products and it'll make the box worth it. But I am going to just go ahead and pass that Bronze and Brighten palette on to a friend of mine that I think will get some good use out of it. So that is all I got in my box for you. I will definitely update you guys about what I thought about the products that were in here next time. But I wanted to share with you something real quick at the end of this. I did get another box from Influencer. So this is for Herbal Essence. I used to use Herbal Essence like crazy in middle school. Let me know in the comments down below if you did too. And they have come out with some new products. This is their Blue Ginger and Micellar Water shampoo and conditioner, and this is the conditioner. It's a foam conditioner, so that's really interesting. I've never used anything like that, so I'll let you guys know. It has 0 parabens or colorants, and I will let you guys know next time how I like these shampoos and conditioners, because I'm pretty picky when it comes to shampoo and conditioner. I have very dry, damaged hair, and it's curly, so it's just kind of, it needs all the help it can get. So we'll see what I think about these, and I'll let you guys know next time. If you have not checked out Influencer and you want to, there is a link down below that you can sign up through. It just gives me points for you, or Influencer points for you signing up, but I don't earn any commission or any extra perks from it. But if you want to do that, let me know. But if you decide to do that, it's down there, and if not, you can just go to influencer.com and still check it out that way. Either way, it's a really good program to check out, especially if you love trying new products and you just review and you can get free products to try. Like, those are 2 full-size products I'm getting for free to try. So thank you so much for watching. You can subscribe right up here, and if you're not subscribed already, and there's a couple videos in the bottom of the screen here if you're interested in watching some more. Otherwise, thank you so much, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.